choppy. Isolated showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms late. Thursday, southeast winds around 10 knots. The water smooth is slightly choppy. Numerous showers. Patchy fog. Scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Thursday night, southeast winds around 10 knots, becoming north in the late evening and overnight. The water slightly choppy. Scattered thunderstorms early in the evening. Patchy fog in the evening. Numerous showers. Friday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. The water is choppy. A chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely. Friday night, west winds 15 to 20 knots. Lows in the upper 40s. The water is choppy. This is a test of the weather radio's warning device. The preceding signal was a weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: